Let's begin with another main topic, which is about how we can teach our students read faster. And this is important because reading faster is one of the things which are required to make our students proficient learners in terms of extensive reading. So this is going to be an introductory module where we'll look at what is reading faster and how we can make our students read faster. So speed reading, as you know, does matter. I mean, if we want to teach our students about reading, if we want to develop reading habits, teaching them how to read fast is important. And in this regard, the whole notion of teaching reading faster starts with the learners, because we teach the learners, and it's the learners who are going to learn from this particular course. So overall, when we are designing teaching reading course, we need to incorporate one small segment of teaching how to read fast, actually. So in reading faster sort of course, what the learners do, they select texts by themselves, and the teacher plays a pivotal role in teaching reading faster, because the teacher is always assisting and helping students. When the students have, for example, selected texts and they are sitting in the classroom and they have started reading fast, the teacher actually counts time, and she also, continues to do the exercise on the board. So it's important that whatever the text students choose in order to learn reading, fast reading, the text should be 500 to 600, usually longer words. It shouldn't be more than that, because about that particular sort of text will develop learners' engagement with the text. So after finishing the text, students are posed some questions about their experiences of the text. So the teacher asks some questions about what the students read, and the students answer them. And in other respects, teacher can provide a key to the students. In other words, an answer key to the students. So the teacher can at the same time maintain a graph, on the board, how the reading is going, if someone is doing slow reading, why they are doing. So that's how the teacher's role is very active in terms of teaching reading faster. So the comprehension score actually of the whole task is put on the board, and it lets the students know who did well, who couldn't do well. So, and at the same time, teachers continue to give comments to the students how they are doing. If someone is not doing well, how well they can do. So overall, whole activity actually can take 7 minutes. And this activity can be repeated every week, three times every week. And the research suggests that if we continue, for example, we as EFL teachers continue to do this 7 weeks, so that will make 25 texts, and in this way students will be able to absorb through reading fast. So throughout this main topic of teaching how to read fast, we will continue to discuss what is the rationale of behind this course, and why we need this segment of teaching reading fast, and how this can help students increase their speed reading.